Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper braces for Jeep's 1984 to 2001 XJ Cherokee. Step 1. Uninstall your vehicle's factory or aftermarket rear bumper and remove any nut plates from within the frame rails. Step 2. The driver's side brace is identified by its gas tank filler tube cutout. Hold the brace up to the frame rail just in between the mounting bolt holes. Trace the brace's rail dimension onto the body, giving you a line to follow while cutting. Step 3. Begin cutting away the sheet metal. Please note that you only need to cut enough away so that the brace sits flush with both the frame rail and the mounting bolt face. We found it useful to use a sawzall, die cutter, and a Dremel tool. Also, please note that your vehicle's gas tank and filler tube are nearby, and we advise not to use torches. Step 4. Insert the brace and test the fitment. Ensure the mounting holes line up to both the front face and inside the frame rail. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 5. Reinstall your bumper as you would normally, now with the added strength and durability. Enjoy your Fishbone Off-Road XJ rear bumper braces.